How to connect Stripe to Wix. When it comes to running an online store or service-based website, being able to accept payments is absolutely essential. Customers today expect a smooth, secure, and flexible payment experience. And if your website doesn't provide that, you risk losing sales. Wix, one of the most popular website builders in the world, makes it easy to set up online stores, service bookings, and even digital product sales. But one of the most important steps after creating your site is making sure your payment methods are properly connected. Wix offers its own built-in payment solution called Wix Payments, which is a solid option for many businesses. However, depending on your location, the types of payments you want to accept, and your overall business needs, you may prefer using Stripe. Stripe is one of the world's most trusted payment providers, and it's used by millions of businesses globally and is known for its reliability, security, and ability to support a wide variety of payment methods. In this video, we're going to walk through exactly how to connect Stripe to your Wix website, also explain the main benefits of using Stripe so you'll understand not only how to set it up, but also why it could be the right choice for your business. So whether you're running an e-commerce store, a subscription-based service, or simply want to collect payments online, connecting Stripe to Wix ensures you can get paid quickly and securely. So now let's head over how to connect Stripe to your Wix. So simply head over to your Wix, and from here you'll want to click here on all sites and select the site where you want to connect Stripe as a payment method. So I'm going to use this site. And from here, as you can see, we're now here in our site. We can set up our site. We have our home page. But what we want to do is get over here to getting paid. So click on getting paid. And as you can see, you can start accepting payments. So click connect payment method. And as you can see, these are all of the payment methods that you can connect to your Wix. We can also click here on see more payment options. So as you can see, here are all of the payment options that we can add to Wix. So if in any case you can't see the getting paid section right here, you can always manually go to settings. And from here, find the finance and payment section and click on accept payments. And now as you can see, we are back. So as you can see, we can connect our PayPal. We can connect manual payments. We can connect HitPay, Payment Wall, online payments by Zendit, and DragonPay. So as you can see, there is no Stripe right here. Here, just all of these are all of the payment options I can add. This is because these are the only specific payment methods or options that I can add to Wix because of my country or region. So we have this new tab right here, as you can see, connecting Stripe as a payment provider in the Wix Help Center. So here are all of the supported countries. As you can see, only these countries are supported by Stripe. So if your country isn't right here, so there is no way that you can connect Stripe to your Wix site. So you'll just need to wait for Wix to update and add your country as a supported country. As you can see, mine, I'm from the Philippines and it's not here. That's why I'm not seeing a Stripe as a payment method. So if your country is supported, of course, you'll just see it right here. And to connect it, simply click on connect and follow the connect instructions. So one of the best things about using Wix and Stripe together is just how easy the integration is. So again, if you connect to your Stripe, you can select Stripe, log into your Stripe account, and once that's done, your website will instantly be ready to accept payments. So the benefit here is convenience. So you don't need to install any complicated plugins, add custom code, or hire a developer. The integration is built right into Wix. So even if you're not tech savvy, you can have Stripe connected in just a few minutes. This means you can spend less time troubleshooting and more time focusing on your growing your business. So why is connecting Stripe to Wix a great choice? Connecting Stripe to Wix gives you the best of both worlds. On one hand, you get the ease of simplicity of using Wix to build and manage your website. On the other, you gain the global reach, reliability, and advanced features of Stripe. For businesses that want to expand internationally, offer recurring billing, or simply provide their customers with more ways to pay, Stripe is a fantastic choice. It eliminates friction during the checkout process, which means fewer abandoned carts and more completed sales. Plus, with Stripe's security and fraud prevention tools, you and your customers can transact with confidence. So basically, setting up payments on your Wix site is one of the most important steps in launching your online business. And connecting Stripe is one of the easiest ways to do it. With a simple integration process, global payment support, advanced security, subscription management, and detailed analytics, Stripe offers everything you need to accept payments and grow your business in 2025. So if you're ready to give your customers a smooth, secure, and flexible checkout experience, take a few minutes today to connect Stripe to your Wix website. It's a small step that can make a huge difference in how your business operates and scales. So again, simply head over to your Wix website and go to your settings, and from here, you can connect your Stripe to your Wix website. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.